So what is Schoolbox and why should you be using it? Well, Schoolbox is a virtual learning environment for K-12 schools. It's an all-in-one learning management system, portal and intranet. It does everything you ever need working in a school. It's super easy to set up a class page that engages your students. You can add components easily by dragging and dropping. Schoolbox has a broad range of components that allow you to do a variety of things, including embedding videos and embedding docs. You can even add tiles that link to other pages and add feeds like Twitter, Pinterest and RSS. You can even embed Google Maps for excursions or out-of-school events. And it's easy to drag and drop files and images onto the page. You can further customize pages by adjusting the colors and the column widths. You can even rearrange all the components on the page by clicking and dragging. You can also brand the look and feel of Schoolbox. Many schools often rename their system too, so your system might have a different name from Schoolbox. Schoolbox encourages creativity for students and teachers, and is a great all-in-one platform to allow this to happen. Teachers can pool their resources, experience and knowledge to create courses that will ensure consistency across a subject and multiple classes. When you create courses, you create living courses that can be reused and grown year after year. This eliminates the need to spend time uploading resources and trying to remember what you did last year. This will certainly help you cut down on that summer holiday preparation for the coming year. You can then import the course into a class page where you can adapt or add content to address your students' specific needs and your personal teaching style. For teachers, it is easy to monitor and track student work and assessment data. You can quickly access assessments for your students through the Submissions button at the top of your screen. Through this, you can see who has submitted or who has been graded. When it comes to marking, the inline grader makes life so much easier. You can avoid downloading, marking and then uploading again with the inline marker. You can mark the assessment within Schoolbox, draw, add comments within the browser, and then you have an option to add written or audio feedback. You can mark your rubrics within the system too. When you've finished marking one student's assessment, it automatically goes to the next student. Another time-saving feature available on Schoolbox is Cheat Checker. With this, you can see a plagiarism score. This is also automatically displayed to students and parents. The teacher can also get a breakdown report of what has been plagiarised and from where. Historical submissions are also stored, so a brother or a sister can't just hand down assessment, or students can't share assessments between classes. You can also see a progress report for each class to track students' submissions and completions of tasks. You also have a link to the class Marksheet. Through the class Marksheet, you can click through to your different subjects. You can see grade averages across all the assessments. This data is formative and continuous and easily accessible to parents. Continuous reporting is easy with Schoolbox. You can also access and use Learning Analytics, which offers a cohort-level overview of the formative data for all students across the broader cohort. You can see an overview of all the classes teaching the same course, and use this data to help you review and improve your courses for future. Schoolbox provides a place for students to be able to showcase their learning through Eportfolios. They are customizable by students. They can upload files and images and multimedia and have their own cover photo. They can also share pages with parents, groups or other individual students in the school. You can also create groups for extracurricular activities. You can set these up to empower student leaders to run and manage the group pages. Parents can also manage the group pages, and it is a great way to encourage collaboration outside the classroom to enrich the school community. The News feature in Schoolbox is used to share news with members of a school community. News in Schoolbox is tailored to the role and campus of the user. This allows schools to only send news that is relevant to its users, so no more useless emails. When you log on, you will see a dashboard. This will include information that is relevant to you and your role within the school, and is completely customizable. Parent pages and dashboards can also be set up to ensure more efficient lines of communication with parents, and can be customized for the parent audience. Parents have quick and easy access to see important information about their children, such as their timetables and grades, as well as access to a calendar and news specific to their student. You can also easily communicate with your students or colleagues within a class or group page. You can send group emails with the click of a button, so there is no longer a need to create lists or groups of student emails in an external email service. Some popular integrations include Google Drive and Office 365. With these, you and your students can browse your personal drives to upload files. ClickView is another popular integration that allows you to embed engaging videos for your students. Schoolbox has a responsive user interface, so users can access and use Schoolbox on different sized devices, from a desktop screen down to a mobile phone. So why should you be excited about Schoolbox coming to your school? Well, it's an all-in-one system that will allow you to create, learn, collaborate, communicate, manage, and integrate. You can learn more about Schoolbox and maximise your experience through help.schoolbox.com.au. Here you can find a space to collaborate and share through forums, suggest features through our Ideas Forum, and learn the skills you need through the Schoolbox teacher courses.